is crazy busy behind me on the road. I am officially dropping off some product at Potter and Mill right now. I'm literally sitting in the parking lot. I had a lot to do this morning and last night just to kind of get prepped, so I was running a little bit behind. I wanted to drop this stuff off in the morning, but it's now like 2:30 in the afternoon. I am a little nervous to go in. I'm always nervous to go into new places and drop things off, and I'm even more nervous because Ash is not here. Usually she will come and drop things off with me and just kind of give me that moral support, but she is actually working today, so I can't have her little helping hand here, but she was helping me all last night getting everything prepped, so very, very appreciative of that. I'm gonna show you kind of what the layout looks like of the store and where my stuff is going to be. Very excited, kind of nervous because I don't know what my shelving space looks like, so I brought a crap ton of different shelving and like holding units to kind of store all of my stuff, just because I don't know what things are gonna look like. But you can kind of see I have the little jellyfish stickers from September there, and then I got a whole bunch of notepads and everything too. It's all very full back there. I am working on my plan with me theme. I am so freaking pumped. I had a custom for tarot cards and I found the most beautiful tarot card for the reader. I started going down the rabbit hole of a bunch of different ideas. So with dragons and books and florals and whimsical colors and all the bits and bobs, and started creating some stickers. And that's gonna be on my cover page. Then I made a couple different colored little baby dragons. Just finished this guy here. Ash thinks it should be a bookmark. Let me know what you think. I do have still a lot more to get done. I was super crazy busy this weekend with work, and then Oktoberfest happened. It was my very first time going to Oktoberfest. It was a lot of fun. I really quite enjoyed. So I had that night booked off with friends and went out, because it's important to keep your social life going even though you want to build your small business. I have to keep reminding myself that. Otherwise I get sucked down the rabbit hole and it's no good for nobody. And there is past Caitlin motivating current Caitlin. And how handsome is my yo Bubba Jew over there? Hi. You want to say hello to everybody? Yeah. I am here in St. Jacobs, and it is also as equally busy on the street, and I need to just get out of the car and get everything to the store, which is across the street right now. It's very chaotic. There is a spot across the street. I'm just nervous that if I give up this spot that someone's gonna take both spots and then I will be screwed either way. Maybe I should do it. I don't know. Indecisiveness kicking in. Okay, I think I'm gonna no, we're gonna stay. We're gonna stay. I keep being very, very indecisive here because I just want to procrastinate going in because I'm nervous. Reporting to you live from the other side of the road. I literally switched. There was like a perfect gap, and now it'll be way easier to unload my stuff. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. It is officially time for me to send this custom out. I am both excited but very, very nervous to do it because after I send it out, I won't have access to it anymore. I do have a whole video flipping through it as well, so if you are kind of curious to see what it looks like on the inside, make sure to just check that out. But Sabrina, it is officially coming to you. I'm so excited to see how you like it, how you're enjoying it. Little teary face. It's officially time to say goodbye to the custom, and I'm having like a little pause moment in the car, and this place closes in a half an hour, so really I should not be pausing. I should be going in. Hello. Happy Tuesday. It is October the 15th and I am feeling happy to be productive. This morning I got 3 loads of laundry folded. so much laundry to fold. I have my journal in here that I planned out everything kind of in advance. I got more laundry to do. I have to do that folding. Hopefully I'm really productive and get at least another 2 to 3 loads folded, but it's a busy day today and I am going to be doing mostly editing, mostly laundry, and mostly getting my November stickers prepped and ready to go. So let's do that. Got super chilly, so I had to put a sweater on, but the sun, so gorgeous. I love it. Okay, let's keep on working. I'm comfortable selling them, and I feel weird adding them into games, but maybe I could get. Like, this is a massive ass celery stick, gorgeous. Cheers, baby. I am all bundled up because I just got back from a walk with Obi. It was so nice outside. He was such a happy camper too. I am looking at my to-do list here and I still have a lot of like the editing to get done for YouTube. Plus I still have to get my November stickers done by Monday. I picked up a shift this weekend, so I don't know if I'm gonna have a lot of time to work on it. In terms of other stuff that needs to get done, I have to work on some Pinterest stuff as well. My view right now is so nice, just with the trees changing colors. I absolutely love it. So the cutest part of working from home is, you can't tell, but my little helper underneath. Hello, yeah. How's it going? How's work? Thank you. No problem. She's so cute. I got my bullet journal out from last week. I am just kind of looking at what I accomplished, what I didn't get done. Okay, first round of editing is all done. Love how things are looking so far. I have about 20-ish minutes of footage and I need to just kind of congest it down. Ideally around that like 15 to 18 mark is what my goal is after I get that first round done. 5 minutes in and I'm already 20 seconds down. Woot woot. See, I would make these videos longer if people actually watched that long, but if you go in and you look at analytics on YouTube, the percentage of length-wise, I guess, that people end up watching the video tends to be anywhere for my videos from like 4.5 to 6.5 minutes out of the 15 to 18. I only want to add in the content that's relative and snip down the stuff that doesn't necessarily need to be there. Studio vlogs, I'm still learning. I'm still trying to get that 1% better each time, because the 1% is where I find I don't focus too much on perfectionism and having like a perfect video and then becoming paralyzed and not posting anything because I'm too scared it's not great. But if I just say I want to improve 1% every single time I post a video, my videos do get better. It does take a little bit of time to do that, but then I am challenging myself creatively. I'm not being scared to try something. If it doesn't work, well, if it doesn't work for one video, I don't necessarily have to do it for the next video, so it's very relieving in that sense. So still gonna keep editing, still gonna get it closer to that 15 to 18 minute mark. Here we go. Down to 17:57. Super excited. Still have to do another round of editing, but I'm gonna take a little bit of a pause because I need to do Pinterest stuff and I have to take the photos while there's still beautiful light outside. I got my little helper outside here on the deck. Not happy with me at all that he can't come in the backyard. I have been bopping around from place to place today with this November plan with me. I got Obi right there in the corner, and that's Charlie. I don't think I've ever talked about it, but I do have a fish as well. I'm working on right now the November plan with me headers, daily stickers, in particular Monday to Sundays. I've noticed this past month in October and in September, I did use a lot more of like a general to-do list, a notes next week section as well, and I'm trying to include it a little bit more in this. I started the day outside just on the front porch getting a couple of bits done for the headers. Out of these stickers so far, what I have accomplished is my individual sticker ideas. I have the decorative larger stickers figured out as well, and then I also have the washi tape strips figured out as well. I noticed I liked this better compared to what I did with the thick, medium, and thin washies. It just Always getting comfortable for his security duty, looking out the window. The goal is to get all of this stuff done. It's about 3-ish in the afternoon, a little after 3. I think I can get it done. Good morning. It's absolutely stunning outside. It's like 20 degrees here at the end of October in Canada. The breeze is still alive, but it is so nice. I just couldn't resist sitting outside. I have my journal in front of me, which I'm gonna plan out my day today. I have to get done the November Plan With Me stickers. I got a good chunk done yesterday. I couldn't figure out like lettering styles that I like, so it took me a little bit longer on the iPad to just kind of sit down and putz around with some styles. But I think I have everything done. I just need to now outline it and get it all put together. I also have an order to get out today. I have the plan kind of just started right here. I'm basically pulling from this general list. I also have my custom flip through that I need to start editing because I've only done the very basic, so that'll kind of be the plan for everything today. I really love though how all of the spreads have like turned out so far. Each of them are kind of unique in of themselves. Here is the individual decoratives small, individual decoratives large, the daily stickers, the washi decorative stickers, the cover page. I finished the 2-page, 1-page, quote page freebies for the month, and I don't know what to name it still. I always have such a hard time naming sticker sheets. It didn't snow. You can only do what you can do, right? So I don't know what I'm doing at all, but it's fine. I am not really feeling the best. I feel like it's important to have record of the feelings that I'm having. I had a chat with Ashley just kind of about life and where I'm at with CreateWithCait, because I am no longer going to be working 2 jobs. So instead of having basically 8 shifts a week, I'm gonna have 4 shifts a week. So I'm cutting down the time in half, which is really nice business wise, very stressful financially wise, especially with goals that Ash and I have aligned for my future, her future, our future together. Brings up a lot of feeling of like failure and that I'm not doing things right, and I feel guilty, and I feel like I just don't have like the right answers for things. I'm feeling sad and I'm feeling guilty. I'm feeling scared. I'm feeling like a failure. I'm frightened because I want this to work so well and to be so successful. And I'm really hoping and praying that me moving home and me reducing my hours is going to be the right choice, but sometimes it just feels like a lot, and I just want to share. I always said that from day one. I want to be able to look back on the videos and see how far I've come, and I think this is part of it. I think that everybody who is a small business owner will get this, and well, even if you're not, you'll get trying something new is scary, and going after what you want can be overwhelming at times. It is time to get to work today in the CreateWithCait workshop. I got my tea, I have an order to pack, got lots to do. Last night I ended up packaging up 2 different orders. I got one yesterday and then I got one on Friday, and then I woke up this morning to another order, which is fabulous. I love packaging things off. What's become really popular are my weekly habit trackers. Actually, so these are them. I get to track a bunch of different habits every single week. It's a Monday start, goes until Sunday. It's super fabulous. I I did this when I was doing my 75 business challenge. I have it in one of my studio vlogs somewhere. So Emma from Australia is getting 7 of these items, which is crazy. Other than that, what I have on the roster for today is planning out my Pinterest. I do want to make sure that I have a lot of stuff prepped for November, just kind of planning out a post every single day, integrating that into my Instagram plan, and then planning out YouTube scheduling as well. Since I'll have more time to record, I'm thinking that I'm going to do a plan with me for my November theme. I do have to print off those stickers and kind of do a layout design idea and get that going in my journal. Emma's order is all packed and ready to go. I had all of the different weekly habit trackers. I loved all the colors that she chose. Very like light springy tones. I did also end up printing off the Riders Quadrant washi tape kit. I do talk about it a little bit, I think, in my last studio vlog, but when you buy the whole kit during the month that it is for, so for November's washi theme, you do get a free printable. So it includes a cover page, a 2-page calendar, 1-page calendar, and a quote page as well. And then after the month of November, it goes into my Toonie printable section of my website. So if you still wanted to get it, or if you just wanted like the cover page and the calendars and the quote page and do your own thing for your month, there's an option there too. Today my plan is to get recording my November plan with me. Well, it's been a really hot minute since I have done a plan with me video. I have my iPad set up here, praying it goes well. Fingers crossed. I have an idea of kind of what I want. I think what I'm going to do is like sketch it out. How I did my custom journal layout sketches, I think what I'm going to do is that for November, because I kind of want to have a little bit more strategic planning when it comes to what I want to include in my bullet journal for November, because it is going to be the first month where I am just working one job in the evening. So I have all day technically to do work, which is exciting, but also need to kind of rejig my mind on when I need to plan things, because I can go so late into the evening. You'll see it in so many vlogs that I'm just sitting on the couch editing, or I am in bed editing. I am on the couch drawing out some stuff on my iPad for new stickers. I can go into the deepest, darkest night times at like 2 in the morning working on stuff. So I need to prioritize a planning schedule that's going to work for my new time, basically. This is my October theme, and October is all done. It is now time to move on. This is the most annoying part, is having to switch, since again I do everything on my camera, all of the footage from up above to below. And I don't really ever show this because again I'm using my camera while I'm doing it, but it's a lot of work. And then I have to pre-plan where I am going to record something, and I don't have double footage. So if I'm like, damn, I wish I had that from up above, I don't actually have that. I'm thinking I want to get a vlogging camera. I've thought about it for a while. I'm like, it's fine, I can do everything on my camera here and it'll be good. But all the footage that I have is at least a few years old, and this one's broken, this one's broken, they're all kind of broken. So it takes so long to record things.